We have an update tonight on a News 4 Tucson investigation into a puppy found dead inside a Tucson apartment complex dumpster. The dog's owner appeared in Tucson City Court today for misdemeanor animal cruelty related charges. But many animal advocates are calling for more serious charges after seeing our investigation. News 4 Tucson Chief Investigative Reporter Chorus Nylander was in the courtroom today and joins us live outside Tucson City Court with more on what happened inside. Chorus.
Well, Sean, the dog's owner, Samaya Jones, is facing 2 misdemeanor charges, not for the dog being found dead, but for an investigation into animal abuse that took place just days before that disturbing discovery. One of Jones' neighbors has been documenting on video several incidents they felt showed abusive behavior towards the dog. They turned everything over to the News 4 Tucson investigators and law enforcement, but apparently it wasn't enough for felony charges. Do you have anything to say about how your dog died? How do you explain how your dog ended up in a dumpster? Please explain to us what happened to your dog. As she left Tucson City Court Wednesday morning, Samaya Jones had nothing to say about how her 4-month-old puppy ended up bloodied and dead inside her apartment complex's dumpster. Today, she pleaded not guilty before a judge to 2 misdemeanor charges for animal cruelty and failing to take her dog to the vet. Outside stood many outraged animal advocates.
You are a puppy killer and an animal abuser.
The News 4 Tucson investigators broke the story last month after receiving several video clips from Jones's neighbor showing what they reported to police and the Pima Animal Care Center as abuse. Both launched an investigation. PAC observed a leg injury on the dog and ordered Jones to take the dog to the vet. They scheduled a follow-up visit with her, but that didn't happen.
And it actually was the day that we got the call that the dog was deceased. So had the dog still been alive and she had not gotten medical care, we would have probably impounded the dog at that point.
But the necropsy report was inconclusive and didn't show the common signs of abuse, so TPD closed its case without an arrest and no charges for the dog's death. Jones never offering an explanation to law enforcement or us about how her dog died. Photos we obtained through a records request show the dog covered in blood.
I feel that eventually, we'll reach a point where she'll have to speak. And I hope we can hear what she has to say.
And Jones' next court date has been scheduled for October 5th. Again, these are just misdemeanor charges, and for these charges, she's going to have what's called a bench trial, which means a judge will decide her fate, not a jury. Very unlikely, given these charges, that she'll face any jail time. Reporting live from downtown Tucson tonight, Chorus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.